What if I told you that Americans are throwing away $120 billion every single year on credit card interest, and there's a completely legal way to stop paying all of that interest for up to 21 months? You'd probably think I'm crazy, right? Well, buckle up, because I just saved my neighbor Janet $4,300 in interest charges last week using a strategy that takes literally 15 minutes to execute. And Janet, she's a 67-year-old retired teacher who thought she was stuck paying 28.99% interest forever. Look, if you're carrying any credit card debt right now, whether it's $2,000 or $20,000, you need to watch this entire video. I'm about to reveal the exact balance transfer cards that can drop your interest rate to 0% for almost 2 years. We're talking about cards with 0% APR for 15, 18, even 21 months. Plus, I'm going to show you how to use these cards for way more than just debt transfer. We're talking grocery rewards, gas cashback, travel benefits, and even how to strategically use them for major purchases like appliances or emergency medical bills. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete game plan to eliminate your interest charges, maximize your rewards, and honestly, some of you are going to save enough money to take that vacation you've been dreaming about. So stick around, because your bank account is about to get very, very happy. The brutal reality of credit card interest. Alright, let's start with some real talk. The average American household carries about $6,300 in credit card debt. And get this, the average interest rate right now is sitting at around 24%. That means people are paying over $1,500 per year just in interest. I was at a coffee shop last week, and I overheard this conversation between two friends. One was complaining about making minimum payments on her $8,000 credit card debt for the past 3 years and barely making a dent. You know why? Because at 26% interest, her minimum payments were basically just covering the interest charges. It's like trying to fill a bucket with a massive hole in the bottom. You can pour water all day long, but you're never going to fill that bucket unless you patch the hole first. What exactly is a balance transfer? Now, before we dive into the best cards, let me explain exactly what a balance transfer is, because I get this question a lot. Imagine you owe $5,000 on a credit card charging you 25% interest. A balance transfer allows you to move that debt to a new card that charges 0% interest for a promotional period. You're essentially taking that debt and putting it in timeout from interest charges. It's like moving your money from an expensive apartment to a free house for 18 months. Same debt, but now it's not growing every month. Top balance transfer cards for 2025. Alright, let's get into the good stuff. Here are the absolute best balance transfer cards available right now. Card Hash 1 Citi Simplicity Card. The Citi Simplicity Card is absolutely incredible for balance transfers. They're offering 0% APR for 21 months. That's almost 2 full years of no interest. Let's do some math here. If you have $10,000 in debt at 25% interest and you only make minimum payments, you'll pay over $2,500 in interest. Transfer that to the Citi Simplicity and you pay 0 interest for 21 months. That's $2,500 staying in your pocket. And here's the beautiful thing. There's no annual fee. And after the promotional period, the APR is still relatively reasonable compared to most cards. Card Hash 2 Chase Slate Edge. The Chase Slate Edge is another phenomenal option. They give you 0% APR on balance transfers for 18 months, plus 0% on new purchases for the first 18 months too. This is huge because it means you can transfer your existing debt and make new purchases without paying interest on either. It's like getting a financial reset button. I recommended this card to my cousin who was planning to buy new furniture for his apartment. He transferred his $4,000 credit card debt, then bought $3,000 worth of furniture, and he's paying 0% interest on all $7,000 for 18 months. Smart move. Card Hash 3 Bank AmeriCard Credit Card. Bank of America's Bank AmeriCard offers 0% APR on balance transfers for 18 months. And here's something cool. If you have other accounts with Bank of America, you might get even better terms. Plus, they sometimes waive the balance transfer fee if you transfer within the first 60 days. Most cards charge 3 to 5% for balance transfers, so on a $10,000 transfer, you're saving $300, $500 right off the bat. Card Hash 4 Wells Fargo Reflect and see card. Now this one is wild. Wells Fargo Reflect can give you up to 21 months of 0% APR on balance transfers and purchases. But here's the kicker. They can extend it to 24 months if you make your first 12 payments on time. 2 full years of no interest. That's enough time to completely pay off significant debt without the pressure of accumulating interest charges. The Strategic Usage Guide. Now that the medical emergency, here's a real situation that happened to someone in my community. Emergency surgery resulted in $8,500 in medical bills that insurance didn't cover. The hospital offered a payment plan at 12% interest. Instead, we got him approved for a 0% balance transfer card, paid off the medical debt, and now he's paying the same monthly amount but with 0 interest for 21 months. That saved him over $1,000 in interest charges. The approval strategy? Getting approved for these cards isn't always automatic. Here's how to maximize your chances. Income optimization. When you apply, include include all your income sources, your job, side hustles, rental income, even regular financial gifts from family. The higher your reported income, the better your chances. The debt-to-income ratio. Credit card companies look at how much debt you have compared to your income. If you're carrying $20,000 in debt but only making $40,000 per year, that's a 50% debt-to-income ratio, which is pretty high. Try to get this ratio below 40% before applying if possible. Pay down some existing debt or wait until you have a higher income month to apply. Maximizing the promotional period. Once you get approved, you need to maximize that promotional period like a pro. The payoff calculator method. Take your total transferred balance and divide it by the number of promotional months minus 1. So if you transferred $9,000 and you have 18 months of 0% APR, divide $9,000 by 17 months. That gives you $529 per month. Pay $529 every month, and you'll have your debt completely paid off with a month to spare before the promotional rate expires. The automatic payment hack. Set up automatic payments for slightly more than your calculated amount. If your calculation says $529, set up autopay for $550. This ensures you're always ahead of schedule and protects you from any missed payments. Beyond debt transfer, additional benefits. Here's where these cards get really interesting. Most people only think about the balance transfer feature, but these cards often have additional benefits that can save you even more money. Purchase protection and warranties. All major credit cards offer better fraud protection than debit cards. If someone steals your debit card info and drains your checking account, that's your actual money gone until the bank investigates. With credit cards, it's the bank's money, so they're much more motivated to resolve fraud quickly. Common mistakes to avoid. Now let me share some mistakes I see people make with balance transfer cards, because these can completely ruin your strategy. Mistake #1: continuing to use old cards. Do not keep using your old high-interest cards after transferring the balance. I've seen people transfer $5,000 to a 0% card, then charge another $3,000 on their old card. Now they have $8,000 in debt instead of $5,000. Mistake #2: only making minimum payments. Just because you're not paying interest doesn't mean you should only make minimum payments. The promotional period will end, and if you still have a balance, you'll be right back where you started. Mistake #3: ignoring the balance transfer fee. Most cards charge 3 to 5% for balance transfers. On a $10,000 transfer, that's $300 $500 upfront. Factor this into your calculations to make sure the transfer still makes sense. Section 10: strategic timing and planning. Timing your balance transfer application is crucial for maximum benefit. The debt consolidation strategy. If you have multiple cards with balances, don't transfer them one at a time. Apply for a balance transfer card with a high enough limit to consolidate everything into one payment. I helped my brother consolidate 5 different cards totaling $14,000 into one 0% APR card. Instead of managing 5 different payments, due dates, and interest rates, he now has one simple payment of $778 per month for 18 months, and he'll be completely debt-free. Life situations where these cards are game changers for new graduates. If you just graduated college and you're carrying student credit card debt while starting your career, a balance transfer card can give you breathing room while you get established in your new job. For small business owners, listen up. Cash flow gaps are real, and sometimes you need to use credit cards to bridge those gaps. A 0% APR card can be a lifeline when you're waiting on client payments or seasonal revenue, medical emergencies, car repairs, home maintenance. Life happens, and sometimes these expenses hit your credit cards. A balance transfer can prevent these necessary expenses from becoming long-term financial burdens. The application process demystified. Let me walk you through exactly how to apply for these cards like a pro. Preparation steps. First, check your credit score. Most balance transfer cards require at least a 650 credit score, though some will approve scores as low as 600 with strong income. Second, calculate exactly how much.